Title: ɡeɪt, the doorway to different worlds. Meaning: today, we're exploring the word ɡeɪt. A ɡeɪt is a hinged barrier or an opening in a fence, wall, or other enclosure that allows access or passage to a different area. It's like a door, but often used for outdoor spaces. Use in a sentence. For example, the grand gate at the entrance of the castle was a symbol of its majesty and a passage into a world of history and adventure. Pronunciation. Pronouncing ɡeɪt is simple, ɡeɪt, with a hard G sound and a long A. Importance. ɡeɪt serve various purposes, from providing security and privacy to marking boundaries and adding aesthetic value to properties. They can be simple or ornate, depending on their function and location. Conclusion. In summary, ɡeɪt is a versatile element in our surroundings. It serves as a doorway to different worlds and plays a significant role in our daily lives. Thanks for joining us today on your channel name. If you found this information helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more simple and informative content. Stay tuned for our next word exploration. Until then, keep an eye out for the various ɡeɪts that define spaces around you.